Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with to show you something new that I will be creating. Okay, I'm going to be doing a DIY on this. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to say maybe it's been a while since I bought this trim. And this is the name of it, Celebrate. And I got this from Michael's. Now, I bought this trim a very long time ago, y'all. I don't know if they still sell this. I don't know if this is still one of the companies that they carry in their shop, but I got this from Michael's. And I'm going to be doing a DIY project using this trim. Now, I was trying to figure out where my black is because I bought some same exact way, saying the way this is made. I bought it in the black, and I got it in this fuchsia, like a hot fuchsia pink. Okay, hot pink, fuchsia pink, whatever you want to call it, pink. And I was just coming to you all today just to show you what is going to be coming up soon, which it is this trim. Okay, so be on the lookout for that video, ladies and gentlemen. And I want to thank those of you who have decided to join me for this little smig bit of video. So like I said, I will be coming to you all with a video, a DIY on how to make and create something with this trim. Like I said, I got this a long time ago. I did not pay $4.99 for it. I got it for half price. Actually, it was cheaper than that when I bought it, because Michael's and Joann Fabrics, they have doorbuster sales. So I got it when they had the doorbuster sale, and they take the price off when you get up to the register. So I just wanted to come to you all to let you all know what is going to be coming up. Be on the lookout for this right here. And I want to thank you all for watching. And for those of you who are new to this here platform, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button on the side so that when I upload more videos, more content for you all, you will definitely be notified. All right, y'all. Thank y'all so very much for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. And until the next video, peace and blessings. See ya.